Yeah, so I wanted to make a quick video showing how to do your weather seals on your doors. They're probably all different, and I'm no expert. In fact, I have no idea what I'm doing. Just kind of sharing my knowledge there that I learned today. So the cats apparently like to scratch on this, and so this was up here, and you know, it's leaking air. So I went down and I didn't know how this was. I thought this was stuck on. It's got a little wedges on here, and it's all just rubber, and it actually fits in the seam of this. So I had to, yeah, it's kind of hard. Like if I pulled on this, this would come out, because this is the old one. So it was like that, and I just worked and primed it out. And you just go down. I just went down to Home Depot, and I bought it was like $5, and I got a big old strip, and then I just cut it off. I started at the top, pushed it in, went all the way down. And then when I got to the bottom, I just started cutting it off with a pair of scissors, some utility scissors, not like house scissors, and actually used tin snips. And I just kept trimming it until I got it right to where I wanted and finished pushing it in. And so that's how it was. I thought it was going to be some kind of sticky stuff on there, but I guess this is how they're doing it now. So anyways, I thought I'd just make this quick video, and so you could see how this goes. Hopefully this makes sense and helps somebody out there. Anyways, thank you for watching. You have a great day.